Hello mathematicians, hope by the end of this video and getting a little bit of practice you can say I can solve systems with one solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions. Let's look at a few examples in this video here. So we're not going to specifically solve this equation or anything, but if we're ever given two lines that just go and they intersect at one point, like something like this would only have one solution. The solution to this would be where these 2 points cross, so where they intersect right here. So this point right there would be the solution to this. So if two lines intersect, they have one solution. So let's say we're given these two equations here. This one here written in slope-intercept form and this one here in standard form. So let's go ahead and graph y equals x plus 2. So it's got y-intercept of 2. It's got a slope of 1, so up 1 over 1. So y equals x plus 2 will look something like this line right here. Now let's go ahead and we could graph this in standard form, but let's go ahead and convert it to slope-intercept form. Might be something that we're a little bit more comfortable with. 2y equals 2x plus 4. We divide by 2 and divide this whole right side by 2. We get y equals x plus 2. Well, that's the exact same line that we just graphed. We just graphed that line. So this is going to look just like this as well. Okay, so, and again, the solution to a system of equations where the two lines intersect, well, these are going to intersect at infinitely many points. All these points right here are going to be solutions to this equation. It doesn't matter. You pick one. It'll be a solution to this system of equations. Any point on this line is a solution to this system of equations. So this would have infinitely many solutions. They're the exact same line. So now let's say we're over here and we're given the system of equations of y equals 1 over 2x plus 3 and y equals 1 over 2x plus 5. So now with this system of equations over here, let's go ahead and graph y equals 1 over 2x plus 3. So I have y-intercept of 3 and a slope of 1/2, so up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. So y equals 1 over 2x plus 3 is this line right here. Now let's graph y equals 1 over 2x plus 5. So it's got y-intercept of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's got the same slope. So we see this green line and this blue line, or this kind of purplish line, I guess. They are parallel to each other. They're never going to touch each other. This could go on forever and ever and ever and never intersect. It could go on forever and ever and ever and they would never intersect. You actually might see somewhere in your math careers that they'll notate parallel lines with these little arrows that look something like this. That means that they're parallel. But parallel lines will never intersect. And because these two lines never intersect, there's no solution to this system of equations. So to wrap this video up, if two lines intersect at one point, there's one solution. If they are the exact same line, if as in right here, these two equations were the exact same, they'll have infinitely many solutions. And if there are two lines that are parallel to each other, they will have no solutions because those two lines will never intersect. So that's it for a video. I hope after watching this and getting a little bit of practice, you can say I can solve systems with one solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions.